I am so excited. I finally got the package that was stuck at Canada Post for over months. This is Oracle card deck that one of my amazing, talented students created. So I ordered it over a month ago from Australia. And yes, I knew it will take a little bit of time. It's coming from Australia. And no, Canada Post strike did not help. So let's see what I got. So when I got this package, and of course I already opened the box itself, but when I got this package, this is what I found inside the package. So let's unpack it. Let's see what's inside, and I'll try not to put the house, burn the house down here. So let's see. So it came in with its own really cute bag. Reignite Your Elegant Rebel Oracle cards. Ta-da! Here's the cards, and we'll look at them in a moment. Then it came with this beautiful business card, and as a gift she sent me her book as well. Thank you. I am so grateful that you've done it. So let's open the cards, right? So because that's what you're here for, probably, just like me. I absolutely love the cards. By the way, very curious, how many decks do you have? Is it 10, 15, 50, 100? We have some members in our community who never had Oracle cards decks before they joined. Imagine that. And we have some who have over 100 decks. And it's just incredible. Some of them collect some antique cards and everything else. So let's appreciate this design. And Peter Han learned all about how to design Oracle cards inside the Oracle Cards Magic membership. So that is the box. Look how beautifully designed it is. Okay, and let's look at all of the sides here. Are you ready to flourish? Reignite Your Elegant Rebel Oracle cards. Here is Peter N website there. Okay, and again, we're just repeating the name of the deck. At the back of it, giving you a little bit of story about the cards and giving you a little bit of sample. And of course, we have her logo here that I absolutely love, her little owl. And let's open it. I always teach inside the membership that we want to create an experience. And I think Peter N truly created this magical experience for me. Even from the start, when I just opened the box, I was like, oh my God, because I only expected this box. I didn't expect the bag. I didn't expect some extra gift. But this is how you can create that extra experience. So let's open this. And we have this beautiful book. Love it. Absolutely love it. Look at this. What a beautiful job she's done. And she actually done some color inside the cards. Oh, very cool, very unique, different, and beautiful. I love that. So that's a little guidebook here. And here are our cards. Here we go. And here is our cards. Look at how absolutely amazing, beautiful they are. I also love that they are wrapped with a paper band that's more eco-friendly. And here is our Elegant Rebel. Look at this design, beautiful, elegant, and given all of that wonderful colors that Peter N uses in her brand as well. And cards are very sturdy. They have round corners here. And look at them. Look at the design itself. And look again, I will try not to burn it down. Let me just move it outside here. Look at this one. Rainbows. Oh, what a beautiful card. And the next one is Intrinsic Beauty. Wonderful. Celebrate You. Boogie Dance. Oh, that's so cool. And Honors. I love diversity of the images. Absolutely beautiful. We have different ages, different beautiful bodies. So look at this. This is so cool. I'm not going to go through all of them. but I wanted to show you what you can do if you join Oracle Cards Magic membership. It's going to be closed tomorrow on January 11th. Yes, 111 portal at 11:11 Pacific time. So if you're ready to join us, I would love to welcome you inside. We'll talk to you soon,